In the Holy Quran, some dua begin with Rabbana or Rabbi, and some dua begin with Allahumma. So, what is the wisdom in selecting two different words?
As far as the Rabb, the word Rabb is concerned, that is more personalized. And when calls Rabbi, Subhana Rabbi Al-Ala, Subhana Rabbi Al-Ala, Subhana Rabbi Al-Azim. So it has a direct contact with Allah, and it joins the person who is praying directly with Allah as his Father, his Rabb. He is Rabb of everybody, but in that case it is particularly his Rabb or her Rabb. Allahumma is generalized address. Oh my Allah. Right?